What's up, Team Buckhouse? We're back at the Frisco Bike Park. We brought Roman Dog. Today he wants to hit the dirt jumps. We're back out with Chris for his second day in a row. Last time we rode, he got me doing some drops. We'll see what he gets me into today. I'm definitely nervous. He rides this park a lot more than the Breckenridge one. That was actually his first time there. Anyways, good day with Roman. We're hitting some jumps. I don't know. It's gonna be a thing. Enough talking. We're mountain biking. Here we go. You remember these jumps? All right, show me how it's done, dude. Nice, dude. You killed the berm.
Right?
That was rad. We got Chris dropping. That was cool. Ah, you ready? I'm coming with you. I flipped off the pedal. Nice, dude. Best friends. Send it, dude. Tristan.
Yo.
What up, dude? You got the full face. I'm still warming up. I'll let you know when I get Sendy, and I'll hit that medium line.
Let's roll over it now. They're smaller than the jumps you were jumping at the rec park.
Think so?
Yeah, and they're built better.
I'll roll it. I'll roll it for you. Foot's like falling off the pedals. Alright, that was first go through. See if we can do better. Dude, you're so good with that berm. So we have been working on Roman's pedals.
Yep.
His pedal game. We're almost there. We're almost on a pedal bike. But we ripped the Strider.
Yep.
We rock, dude. Alright, let's keep working on this line. I'm so scared to actually go for that thing. Right here, Roman, do it. Oh yeah, dude. I'm definitely scared to commit to these. It might be a full day of casing, guys. I'm sorry, but we're working on it. We're getting better.
Yeah, Tristan.
Get it, Tristan. Nice, dude.
That is so scary.
So I would love to know anybody that can't hit jumps this size. How do you do it? You just case a bunch and eventually you get comfortable and you get the whole thing? Because like that's such the not the way you do it snowboarding. With snowboarding you want to always clear it. But with mountain biking, the case doesn't feel bad. So I don't know. You guys let me know. I know eventually you have to ace it or you're done. So anyways, more stuff. I'm just straight casing these. Not even close. I'm gonna do the small line again and actually clear a jump. Good job, dude. Tristan coming in. Woo! Nice, Tristan. Got some air. Let's go. All right, back to the small line. I want to feel like I can get air. Yeah, little dude. Let's see if we can catch Chris coming down this log drop. Crazy. Here it comes. Oh, that is so wild. The A-bang's so hard. Could I stand on there and film you?
Yeah.
Would it bug you?
No.
This would legit be a dream mountain bike feature, but it's so scary. It'd be like a little intimidating on the snowboard, but I think it'd be rad too. But yeah, dude, you're just coming this way? Could you imagine? They used to make snowboard jumps like this. They're called step downs, and they were rad. They kind of stopped making them. They need to bring them back, and now Chris is gonna send this. Dude, Chris rips. That's like, it's gonna take years. Subscribe. Decades before I think about dropping something like that. That was sick.
You wanna get these?
Alright, Chris is gonna hit these I don't even know what size these are. I would say large jumps. They're not XL, they're large. About to have some mega crop in. Man of many talents. There's your buddy. Wow. Alright, now that you guys saw some sick mountain biking, back to me.
He's a madman.
Dad, I went so high on that one.
Dude, you are getting so high. It's so rad. I'll be right behind you the whole time, okay? Show me how it's done. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, dude. I'm gonna go back up to the bigger one, okay? Knuckles? Truck's starting to get busy. Oh God, I almost had that one. At least front tire. I'm getting air. At least that go. Now we just gotta like commit to distance.
I hear your brakes every time. The speed is perfect on all these. If you will just let go and just ride, you'll get right over it.
All right, no brakes.
No brakes.
Oh man, Chris. Oh, that's terrifying. I went no brakes, I was scared.
Yeah,
so
you did, like,
everything went wrong.
coming up the lip, you were just completely stiff.
Yeah, I felt it when I got bounced.
You still have to ride it.
I know.
At that speed.
But I was just so scared that I couldn't ride. I froze. I was just like, hang tight.
Still do that. Breathe. Don't hold your breath. We know you have a problem with.
Yeah, I hold my breath a lot. God, how's it feeling better? I didn't brake in them, which is a step. We still gotta go faster, but not braking is a step. We're gonna clear one of them today. See how like not confident I am in everything on this sport. Oh, my butt hit the back tire. Oh God, I thought I was dead. I thought I was dead on that, Tristan. Yeah.
You chilling enough?
It's terrifying. Does it look as dumb as it feels?
Yeah,
Thanks,
no offense.
man. Thanks, man. I think POV, it might look better for you guys, but I am casing the crap out of these. And
Yeah.
I know this isn't the most fun type of video with like the same repetitive, but we're trying to get better. You need some water, you get the first sip, dude, because you're sending it. Chris wants me to get some shots of him on the XL line. Who's at the large line? What is it?
Medium.
That's a medium line?
That's medium.
What am I on?
Small.
What?
I hate this sport. Everything about
I'm
it.
on extra small?
I don't even think you're on jumps. That's okay.
Not even.
On rollers.
Chris is here to stoke our ego. Hey, dude, Chris is on these jumps that literally have a gap. Like, there's no casing this, dude. We're just gonna move one jump to the next, so now we're gonna move to this one. The closer I get to these, dude, the build quality, and this is mud, you know, clay, I don't know, they shape this stuff. It's wild, man. Way different than, obviously, they do this with snow too, but nuts. On to the next one. I just want to also point out, like, this is the landing for like 3 different jumps. Like, insane. Always look uphill, even in mountain biking. Oh, whoa, whoa. This one's gonna be rad. I'm gonna get like this lower shot. You're just gonna see him like in the frame. Chris is a beast. That was neat.
Sick.
Thanks for entertaining my subscribers. Check out his channel. It's in the description.
Tristan.
You did the big jumps with Tristan?
Yeah, like that.
Nice.
Like that one. The small ones where I did big jumps.
No way.
Yeah.
We got a couple more, and the mom said we gotta get out of here.
All right.
Because that's what moms do. I'm gonna get my bike. I'll ride with you. Let's get it. Ooh, yeah, dude. Ooh, yeah, dude. So high, man. That was so high. That big line's killing me. Whatever. I'm going to the baby line. Ready, dude? I will say that line is like not scary at all anymore after pushing the big ones, even though I didn't get them. Felt good. Get an Instagram story real quick. You should follow the Instagram, and then also you should get one of these Insta360s that's on my face. They're linked in the description. It's how I film mountain biking, wakeboarding, snowboarding. The camera's insane. And I got a bunch of free stuff when you use my link. You ready, dude? Oh, dang. I think we got to give the small line, quote unquote, another shot. Oh. That felt better. Yeah, that felt better. I'm trying.
Yeah.
Within my comfort zone.
Well, I wish you could see what I'm seeing. Like yesterday and today, night and day different.
I'm just hanging on. As dumb as it sounds, I'm feeling more comfortable on the big ones. So let's see it, dude. Big jump, big jump. Oh yeah, man. Oh, smack the camera. Hopefully. Roman cheering me on, dude.
Dad, you want to ride with the winter whips with me?
Yeah, I'll do a little ramp with you. Oh yeah, dude. Alright, this one's chipmunk. Alright, we cased them the entire day, but it was still better than nothing. Roman dog's over here. There he is. And this video will end where it started. Roman sending it. Roman, you rode bikes so good today.
Peace out, dude.
Proud of you, bud. I hope that was still enjoyable for you guys. The only way for me to get good at mountain biking is for me to put out a bunch of kind of subpar average riding until I get good, and then mountain biking will get good, which is still sick, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed it. With that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. Thanks for coming, Tristan.
Hell yeah.
Thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. It's daily on this channel. We do stuff like this daily.